Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning how to change your default preferred network type to 5G to LTE. So if you don't like 5G, it is using more battery, so you can simply change it to LTE, that means 4G network. So how to do that? Simply open your menu, then open settings, then open network and internet. You can see here first option. Okay, then open internet. You can see here. After that, select gear settings. Then you can see those options, and here is the preferred network type. Click on that and it is 5G recommended, and select LTE or 3G. 3G is slowest network, so select LTE. So that's, guys, we are simply jump to 5G networks to LTE network, that means 4G network. That's, guys, very simple tutorial, and in this way you can save your battery, and that's it, guys. And if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as videos so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.